What if I told you the most aggressive Mustang ever just got even more insane? This is not just another muscle car. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC, and it's built to dominate both the streets and the track. Supercharged power, raw attitude, and zero compromises. Stay with me, because this might be the wildest Mustang you've ever seen. The Dark Horse was already a statement. But now, Ford pushes things further with the SC version. SC stands for Supercharged, and that changes everything. This car is not just about looks anymore. It's about brutal performance, sharper dynamics, and a driving experience that feels alive every second. At first glance, the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC looks familiar. But look closer. The front fascia is more aggressive. The grille is darker, wider, and more menacing. Functional air intakes feed the supercharged engine. The hood features a more pronounced vent. It's not just for style. It helps cool the beast underneath. The stance is lower, wider, and more planted. From the side, you notice the upgraded wheels. Lightweight, performance-focused, and wrapped in sticky tires. The Dark Horse badge stands proud, but the SC identity adds exclusivity. At the rear, a bold diffuser and quad exhaust tips remind you this is not a normal Mustang. Every line screams performance. And here's the thing, this aggressive design is just the beginning. Because what's under the hood is where things get truly crazy. The heart of the Dark Horse SC is a supercharged 5.0-liter V8. And yes, it's as insane as it sounds. Power figures push well beyond 700 horsepower. Acceleration is brutal. The throttle response is immediate. The moment you press the pedal, the car launches forward with relentless force. The supercharger adds a unique character. You hear that high-pitched whine building up as speed increases. It's addictive. It's aggressive. It's pure muscle car drama. 0 to 60 happens in the low 3-second range. And the top speed, easily beyond what most drivers will ever need. But this car is not just about straight-line speed. Ford has tuned the suspension for precision. The chassis feels tight and responsive. The steering is sharp. You feel connected to the road. Every corner becomes an opportunity. With upgraded brakes, stopping power is just as impressive as acceleration. You can push the car hard and still feel in control. Drive modes let you adapt the car to your mood. From daily driving to full track attack, it transforms instantly. Inside, the Dark Horse SC balances performance and technology. The cockpit feels focused on the driver. You get a fully digital instrument cluster. It's customizable and easy to read. Performance data is always in front of you. The seats are supportive and comfortable. They hold you in place during aggressive driving. Materials feel premium. But everything still reminds you this is a performance machine. It's purposeful, not overly luxurious. The infotainment system is fast and intuitive. Connectivity is seamless, but let's be honest, you're here for the driving experience. And just when you think it can't get better, the sound of this car takes everything to another level. The exhaust note is deep, loud, and unmistakably Mustang. But with the supercharger, the sound becomes even more dramatic. You hear the growl at low speeds, then the roar as you accelerate. And that supercharger whine cutting through it all. It's not just noise, it's an experience. One that makes every drive feel special. Ford has packed the Dark Horse SC with modern tech. Advanced driver assistance systems are available, but they never take away from the raw feel. Track apps allow you to monitor performance, lap times, acceleration, and more. Launch control helps you get the perfect start. Line lock is there for those who want to push limits even further. Everything is designed to enhance performance without losing the soul of the car. Now you might think a car like this is hard to live with. But surprisingly, it's not. In normal mode, it's comfortable enough for daily driving. The ride is firm but manageable. Visibility is decent. The cabin is quiet enough when you want it to be. Of course, fuel economy is not the focus here. But that's not why you buy a car like this. So the question is simple. Who is this car really for? The Mustang Dark Horse SC is for enthusiasts. For drivers who want emotion, power, and presence. It's for people who don't just want to drive. They want to feel every second behind the wheel. This is not a car for everyone. And that's exactly what makes it special. The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC is more than just an upgrade. It's a statement. It takes everything we love about the Mustang and pushes it to the extreme. More power, more aggression, more excitement. In a world moving towards electrification, this car reminds us why we fell in love with V8 engines in the first place. So, what do you think? Is the Dark Horse SC the ultimate Mustang? Or is it just too wild for the real world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because more insane cars like this are coming your way.